Zinc versus aluminum. It's the ultimate die casting choice. So let's get right into it. I mean, which one is right for your project? Your success could really depend on this choice. So let's start with aluminum. Its market is massive, over $100 billion. It's literally everywhere. Yeah, it's the top dog for lightweight parts. Think strength without all the weight.
But check this out, 1 million. What is that? That's how many shots a zinc tool can handle.
Zinc has some serious hidden perks. We're talking precision and major long-term cost savings. Okay, so let's talk performance. It really boils down to strength versus weight, doesn't it? And here's the core trade-off. Zinc's denser, sure, but its melting point is way lower. So if you need it light, say for cars or big appliances, aluminum's kind of a no-brainer. But what about the money? It's not just the upfront cost, it's about the long game. Exactly. Aluminum might seem cheaper at first, but zinc can save you a ton over time. See, zinc's low melting point means less wear on your tools. That's a huge saving right there. All right, let's get into design. How detailed does your part need to be? This is huge. Look at that. Zinc lets you get these super thin walls, perfect for complex, detailed stuff. Aluminum, on the other hand, is your go-to for bigger, beefier parts, like engine blocks. Okay, let's wrap this up. Time to make the final call. Here's your cheat sheet. So go with zinc if you need super high precision, long tool life, and fast production. And pick aluminum if it's all about being lightweight and handling some serious heat. So, performance, value, and precision. The choice is yours. What's it going to be?